In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the loft and delete exercise that's on page 8-37 of your textbook. So I've gone ahead and I've created the two offset planes and the three sketches. So next, I'm going to create the loft boss, and this is a feature, not a surface. So I'm going to select the loft boss. I'm going to select each profile in roughly the same location, and we can see the twists, which I don't like, so I'm going to right click and tell it to show me all connectors. And I'll just drag this one around, and this is one of the reasons when you might want to use split points so that it does exactly what you want. And I'll drag that, and now it'll suffice. So I'll say OK. There I have my lofted feature, and next I'm going to select the front plane. I'm going to look normal to it, and in that plane I'm going to create a sketch. So I'll select the plane, tell it I want to sketch in that plane. I'm just going to do a really simple sketch similar to his. So I'll start up here. I'm just going to sketch a triangle, and then I'll add some lines. That sketch will work. I'm going to look at it isometrically, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to offset it from the surface. So with the sketch highlighted, I'm going to tell I want to make an extrude boss. Is the end condition, I'm going to say offset from surface. 100 thou looks great. I'll select this surface. I'm going to rotate around. The offset's going the wrong way, so I'm going to reverse it. If I want it to be further out, I will. I'll just make it a 1/4 inch. Whatever looks good. And then I'll say OK. So they're all merged, and the last thing I'm going to do is fill it around these edges. So I'm going to activate fillet. I'll make my size a 32nd. And I'll window select these entities. I'll let it add fillets around all the edges. It'll take a minute. I'll right click to accept that. And there's essentially a drawing similar to what he has in the textbook. Next, I'm going to go to the surface ribbon, because that's where the delete face command is. And I'm going to delete this top face. I'm going to turn around, delete the back, and I'll delete the bottom face. And then I want to come over here, and there's several options. We have delete, just remove them. And we can delete and patch it, or we can delete and fill it. I'm just going to use the delete and say OK. And as soon as I do that, here's what we get. So we no longer have a solid body. We now have a surface body where we created it using the delete faced command.